Hello world, hello everybody all over the world, anywhere you are watching from, Europe, American, France, here in African, UK and everywhere you are watching from. We are on the Stellar platform, Stellar Athlete Network. So this is my Stellar account. So Stellar have a lot of products you can buy, as you can see. So we have a lot of software and tech program here you can get. So as you can see, these are all the software and tech program you can get. There are so many of them, but let's move on by taking this one here. So we have this flutterflow made easy, the beginner's guide, 20,000 naira. So we have this no code, you have only one review. So let's view what they have for us. So we have the flutterflow made easy, the beginner's guide. Turn your cool app ideas into reality with flutterflow, an amazing tool that lets you create app, so and so on and so on. So when you click here to view what the author of the book have for us, so you have the flutterflow made easy, the beginner's guide. So as we are reading before, turn your cool app ideas into reality with flutterflow, an amazing app, an amazing tool that lets you create apps without needing to know how to code, even you are not a coding expert. This super helpful course will teach you how to make a song app quickly. Did you know you can make professional app without being a code pro? And so on. When you read, there's many of them here. You read down to this place. So when you click on the link, that's how we leave under the comment section. It will bring you here, so you make your review by reading everything before you make payments. So I think they have one video. Let's view the video. So we click.
Anyways, I'm an entrepreneur.
So we start from the beginning here.
Welcome to the No Code Development course, right? This is Rodo Code Africa. My name is Benjamin. I'm with Timothy, right? And Timothy said that I should handle the entire conversation, so I'm not going to let him speak. But anyways, I'm an entrepreneur for over, let's say, 5 years. Before that, I was also a marketing manager at different companies. I helped them structure their marketing, their marketing efforts, their marketing breaks, etc., to launch the market, etc. Yeah, it's quite a big role. Then I started trying to work on my own startups, and I tried launching a lottery startup in 2021. And because of some issues, essentially trying to get funding from investors and spending a lot of money, I spent a lot of money into wrong areas, trying to when I was bootstrapping. If you're anybody who knows anything about startups, when you're bootstrapping, you really need to make sure that you are understanding where your money is going to. But anyways, one of those things was trying to build my software, and when everything did not really work the way I expected it to work, I started to think about the entire project, and I was like, there could have been a better way to test out my idea, or to just launch quickly to test it out in the market or something, right? In case I'm working on that project, and I found out about no code. And yeah, so I don't really talk so much about no code. Why at now? Because I'm sure before you came to this course or this class, you already know what no code is, or you believe in no code, right? Or you want to know more about it, or why you should believe in it. Yeah, so don't worry, you're going to get that. So the only thing I'm going to say before I back it up with facts is that with no code you can build very powerful apps, automated apps that you can't even, like right now, you can't even imagine yet until you actually just jump and start building with no code. Or low code, right? So that's what I'll say. That's my first statement. We'll back it by facts. But before that, let's Timothy introduce himself. You have the floor.
Right. My name is Timothy Exodus. Right. I'm a UX design specialist.
Okay, by becoming.
Right. So, I'm a big fan of no code. Right. I've been in the design space and having to implement different ideas and not seeing those ideas come into life as fast as possible. Some of them never even see light, right? Due to the time and resources that is required to implement those ideas, those designs, right? So now what no code is here to do is here to eliminate all of those things, make things possible, make things fast, right? Saving you time, money, resources, right? So I'm here to support Mr. Benjamin on his amazing vision, of course, to drive the no code innovation, right? So yes.
Of course, you say that this is a leadership tactic, but it's our amazing vision because it's our UI UX developer. I call you a developer, right? Because you're actually developing. And basically, what you're doing is what that builds our entire the visual aspect and the user experience aspect of any application that we build here at No Code Africa, right? Or No Code 100, as we are known for. So right now, the thing I'm just going to say here is that, like he said, it helps bring designs to life. There are so many ideas people have, and the amount of time you're going to take to actually build with custom dev, the amount of money it can take to build with custom development, it's quite crazy. But right now, No Code is going to give you superpowers. You'll be able to launch these things faster. And yeah, one of the reasons why we thought we chose flutterflow as our no code. It's no code. Flutterflow is basically a low code, right? So you can still have to add extra code for some functionalities in flutterflow. But the reason why we chose is that it's one of the best options for any startup, right? Right now, or any young person trying to launch a particular platform or trying to learn, app development. Right? A lot of people are adopting it right now because of how powerful it is. And in this particular class, our aim is to expose you to how powerful Flutter is, but majorly for beginners, so we can allow beginners to be able to understand it, and that's what No Code Africa is all about. It's majorly for beginners. Yeah. So No Code will give you superpowers. Just think about that. It's going to give you superpowers. You'll be able to do amazing things. Then finally, money. There's money involved also. Yeah, because I remember having a conversation with a friend of mine that told me he had earned over $20,000 using an application for a startup in Canada from Nigeria with no code. And I was like, wow. Now, I personally, I'm not in no code for all of that. I'm majorly doing it to launch my own application. So from the way I'll make money from is by launching my own business, right? But when he told me that okay, in freelancing you can still make a lot of money from no code, that was wow. So that means even if you want to learn any extra code or any kind of thing, or how the framework of code works, you're not going to be learning it like in the broader way that you'll feel overwhelmed, right? There's so much to do. You will learn it for specific application use cases, right? And that can help you start your development career, or you start building out projects or products within few weeks, months, even maybe let's say, yeah, who knows? Depends on how well you want to learn this thing. But no skill is you cannot dispose any skill. Every skill has its use, and no code is powerful. So yeah, I hope that's enough. That's enough to ginger you. Now let's go into the main details.
So as you can see, that is all on their video. So that's everything. When you want to buy, when I drop the link under the comments section, when you click, it will bring you here, so you review very well by reading everything about the course before you make another. That's all. It's only 30,000 naira. So these are some of the course contests. Introduction to no code development with flutterflow. A is we get flutterflow to powering your app with variables. Powering your app with variable within a simple to do list app, so and so on. So that's all. So that's all for now. So I will drop the link under the comment section. When you click, it will bring you here to review before you make your payment. It starts 1,000 naira in Nigeria money. So I don't know your country, do your plus and minus to the equivalent amounts here. So that is all. So you also get some link here of other courses that you can buy. When you click on each of them, it will take you to the platform to review before you make payment. That's all for now. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.